fans, and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Last night we posted a quick video of a trip we made down to Athens, Alabama to try to catch up with that 1851 Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis locomotive that you just saw go past in this video. The reason we did that is because it was coming north towards Nashville and it was going to arrive well after dark, and we just weren't sure if it was going to leave town and go back out on something overnight, and wanted to try to make sure we caught it in some pretty good daylight. Little did we know that we could have saved ourselves a 4 to 5 hour trip down and back, because today that locomotive, as you can see, came out on M502-24. It's being towed dead in tow as the third unit. There's evidently something mechanically wrong with it. It's the third unit on this M502. And as you can see, the 1877 Chicago and Eastern Illinois is the second unit on this train. So always a pretty rare catch to get two of the heritage locomotives together, and pretty interesting for us to see. So hope you guys enjoy it, and we will be back soon with another train for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.